Alright, notice how when I'm done welding on one of the corners, I'm moving the ground clamp with me to the next corner. It's highly unlikely that I'm going to get any current to go up through the hoist and all that stuff, but that's the main reason I'm doing it, just to get the current to go where I want it to and not mess anything else up. Sometimes you just have to get rid of the ugly and back out. Alright, so I figured that I should go ahead and stop and talk about this a little bit. Is what I've got here is I've coped out this piece of angle that's going down the middle. I coped the edges out, and then the gap that I left that we can see right there. So there's a little bit of a big gap, so it wanted to force the angle to drop down, so then on the bottom side here it wouldn't be flush, which is going to be the surface of the table that I need flush, more or less. So just to force that flush, a couple of these new clamps that I got. I know, Harbor Freight, whatever, but they're you know, I just took another piece of just some 1/4 inch stock that I've been making those weld samples out of, and clamped it up flush. So just figured I'd show that with you guys. Somebody's burning something. I'm sitting here thinking, and I can smell it, and I was like, oh shit, I hope that's not me. I have to go find out where it's at. Not me.